Certainly, here's a classic recipe for spotted dick, a traditional British dessert. Ingredients: 1 cup self-raising flour, 1/2 cup shredded suet, or butter if suet is unavailable, 1/2 cup currants or raisins, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, zest of 1 lemon, a pinch of salt, milk, as needed, butter or oil, for greasing, golden syrup or custard, for serving. Instructions. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the self-raising flour, shredded suet, or butter, currants or raisins, granulated sugar, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Mix these dry ingredients together. 2. Gradually add milk to the mixture, stirring well after each addition, until you have a soft and slightly sticky dough. 3. Lightly flour a clean surface and turn the dough out onto it. Shape the dough into a cylinder or log shape, about 6-8 inches long. 4. Take a piece of parchment paper or foil, and place the dough on it. Roll up the dough in the paper, twisting the ends like a candy wrapper to secure it. 5. Place the wrapped dough in the top section of a steamer, making sure it's not touching the water. Steam the spotted dick for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Make sure to check the water level in the steamer periodically and top it up if needed. 6. Once the spotted dick is steamed, carefully unwrap it from the parchment paper or foil. 7. To serve, slice the spotted dick into rounds and serve warm with golden syrup or custard. It's traditionally served as a comforting dessert. Enjoy your homemade spotted dick. Note: steaming times can vary depending on the size and thickness of your spotted dick. Make sure to insert a skewer or toothpick into the center to check if it's cooked through. It should come out clean when the dessert is done.